everybody, welcome back to my channel Forma Azel. This is Devi Sarojini. Main purpose of this channel is to clarify any query related to Forma. If you have any query related to Forma, please feel free to leave a mail to me. I have given my mail ID in the channel description. Please check that once. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have come to you with another video about mobile phase preparation, filtration, storage, the importance of mobile phase in HPLC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now I want to discuss about the mobile phase preparation. Always use HPLC grade water and HPLC grade solvent for mobile phase. I am going to discuss about the mobile phase preparation, maintenance of the mobile phase, storage of mobile phase in detail point by point. So without skipping the video, watch the whole video from first to last. And if you have any doubt about any topic, then you can also comment and I will look at those comments. In next video, I will clarify your doubts. So without any late, let's start this video. First, let us tell how to prepare mobile phase. Use HPLC grade water and HPLC grade solvent for mobile phase. Next one, mixing of solvents. This mixing of solvents is very important in mobile phase preparation. Use same mixing procedure every time to prevent errors due to heat of mixing. In order to prevent the mixing errors, we have to follow the same mixing procedure when mixing the solvent. Filtration of mobile phase also very important. Always use 0.45 mm filter to remove suspended impurities in the mobile phase. The suspended impurities in the mobile phase can result in the blockage of column. These blockages affecting the flow rate of mobile phase. So filtration is very important. Filtration of mobile phase is very important. If we don't filter the mobile phase, the impurities result the blockage of the column, thereby affecting the flow rate of the mobile phase. If we filter the mobile phase, then the blockages of the column removed and thereby the flow rate of the mobile phase also increased. So filtration is very important in the mobile phase. Next one, degassing the mobile phase. Degassing also plays an important role in the mobile phase preparation. This degassing can remove the air bubbles in the mobile phase. Degassing remove the air bubbles in the mobile phase. So, and also remember this point, HPLC mobile phase should be prepared fresh. If we use mobile phase after 2 to 3 days, then we can check that once. If that mobile phase have any microbiological suspensions, then that mobile phase should be discarded and freshly prepared for the analysis. Always prepare HPLC mobile phase freshly. Next one, storage. Storage of the mobile phase. HPLC mobile phase should be stored in the borosilicate glass bottles. HPLC mobile phase having pH above 8.0, then that mobile phase will be stored in the stainless steel containers. Glass containers are not suitable for that HPLC mobile phase. If any mobile phase having pH above 8.0, then that mobile phase will be stored in the stainless steel container. If the mobile phase photosensitive mobile phase, then we should definitely store them in amber color bottles. If we don't have amber color bottles, then we definitely need to cover the bottles with aluminum foil. HPLC mobile phase container should have narrow opening. This narrow opening bottles will prevent the intake of oxygen from air and also prevent the evaporation of volatile compounds. So the HPLC mobile phase container should have narrow opening. Let's remember what we said once again. First, we always use grade water, HPLC grade water or HPLC grade solvent for mobile phase. Next one, the Always use same mixing procedure to correct mistakes. Next one, filtering the mobile phase. Filtering the mobile phase is very important. Filtration of mobile phase. If we does not filter the mobile phase, what happens? The suspended impurities are increased. Due to these suspended impurities, they can blockage the column. Flow rate of mobile phase also decreased due to these impurities. So we can always filter the mobile phase. Degassing the mobile phase, we can remove the air bubbles in the mobile phase. Next, always use freshly prepared mobile phase for analysis. Next one, storage of mobile phase. Mobile phase should be stored in the uh, borosilicate glass bottles. If the pH value of the mobile phase is more than 8.0, then we can store it in stainless steel container. And the mobile phase container should always have straight openings, narrow openings, because this prevents the oxygen intake from the air as well as the uh, prevent the evaporation of volatile compounds. So we should always we always use mobile phase bottles with narrow openings. And if the mobile phase is photosensitive mobile phase, then we should use the amber color bottles for that mobile phase. If we don't have amber bottles, then we definitely need to cover the bottles with aluminum foil. I hope you understand. Please watch my channel for more videos. Thank you.